video, I captured a juvenile Cape Cobra at Boston
Hy
Mere
wil
Estate
net
in
homself
Paarl.
beskerm, dis hoekom hy
It's about
al
22
defense
degrees
mechanisms
today,
wat hy het,
and
is om
as you
daai
can
bak
see,
op te maak.
its
Vandat hy by die
defense
eier uitkom,
mechanism
staan
is
hy stil.
standing hooded
Ek dink
like
hy
that.
sou
The black
nêrens
marking
heen
under
soos
the
meer
chin
volwasse kobra nie.
on the throat means it's the specific markings of a Cape Cobra. I don't want to use tools on this little baby, so they are fragile, about 28 centimeters long, and here I'm just guiding it into my black pipe. The inside is black, so it thinks it's getting away from all the people standing around. Safely captured.
Dan is hy veilig. Net daai donker tonnel sê vir hom safe.